Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will suggest a way to get a paid internship. I got many messages in my social media asking how to get a paid internship. First of all, I want to make it clear that if you're paying for something, then it's not a paid internship. So it's like a training, that's it. Internship is like companies will pay you or you will work it for free, but you will not pay a single penny. Remember this point because many people have asked me in social media. Every day I get a lot of messages that so can I pay 5k or 10k for this so that I will get an internship certificate. So no, you will not get anything if you pay something. So remember this point. If you're paying something, then it's not an internship. So internship is similar to job, but you will work as a part-time there and you will learn things step by step. It is what internship is. The real intention of doing an internship is like getting real-time experience. That's the only thing, and it will be really helpful for you to do an internship during your college. But how to do an internship actually? Ask me, Yaswanth, you said don't pay anything to a company, then how can I get an internship? Yes, in this video I will suggest the better way to get an internship. I will also show by sharing my screen on how to actually apply for an internship and how you can actually get that. Let's get into the video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. So before thinking about an internship, ask yourself a question. Do you really have a skill which you can show with pride? Or I can say, do you really have a unique selling proposition in any one skill? Then ultimately you are eligible to work as an intern in any company. So first thing that you need to do is master a skill. So if you want to do an internship, master a skill now. So whatever it might be WordPress site development, it might be full stack web development, it might be you are a Java developer, it might be you know how to build Android apps, or you know graphic designing, you know content writing. So whatever it might be, master a skill in such a way that no companies will have the reasons to reject you. So you need to master at least one skill, then you can talk about internship. But if you still don't know what you're actually good at, first go and figure out that, then only you think about internship. It's not that you mandatorily need to have an internship experience during your college. No, it's not. Because if you don't have a skill, then what's the point of having an internship certificate? Because you will not prove in any interview that you did an internship because you don't have that skill. Then ultimately it's of no use. First of all, do that. So once you have mastered a skill, then build your portfolio. You may ask me how to build a portfolio. It's simple. If you are a programmer and if you have done many projects, then having a GitHub profile is your portfolio. If you are a graphic designer and if you have done so many graphics, create an Instagram profile and upload whatever the work that you have done. If you are a content writer, you have a good writing skill, then ultimately create a blogspot. It's a free of cost blog, and showcase your writing skills there so that it can be easy for you to share with someone. Or if you're a WordPress developer, create some sample sites so that people will get to know your style of creating websites. So it takes zero cost ultimately to create a portfolio. The portfolio is something where it is easy to share. So in resume, you only write whatever the things that you know, but there is no proof that they are all valid things. So that's the reason why portfolio plays an important role. So once you're having a portfolio, the next step is choose a startup which will match your skill. So I will share my screen and show you how you can actually find startups on your skill and how to write a cold email to apply for an internship. Let's suppose you're good in machine learning and you want to work as a machine learning intern somewhere. So find some good machine learning startups. So let's suppose you are in Hyderabad or near to Hyderabad. So I will search for machine learning startups in Hyderabad. You will see. You will find so many things. You can see top A companies in Hyderabad. You can explore what are all the startups that are available in Hyderabad, which are working on machine learning. So you can see you will find many companies here. So let's take this company. This is iSpatial Techno Solutions. So go to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. So search for that company. iSpatial Techno Solutions. So I have found this company. You can also do a remote internship. So it doesn't matter whatever the location it is. So you can see the about, and you will see the website, and you will see the people who are working on that particular company. So I'm just taking it as an example. It doesn't mean you just go and spam them, but you can see you will find the people who are working there. who are all the HR people, who are all the software engineers working there. Or you can also simply go to the website and I can say find the contact email of their careers page. You can directly write to them by showing your portfolio. So you can see if you open a website of the particular company, you will see this careers page and you will see the contact details. So try to find the contact details of them and mail them like you want an internship with them and you have so and so skills on machine learning, you have done so many projects earlier. It will really help you to land into an internship. It is how you actually get a paid internship. So it will be applicable for any skill on any startup, I can say. So if you're good in graphic designing, make sure you search for graphic designing startups and directly write to them, connect with people who are working on their particular startup and ask them how the work culture will be like. Write a cold email to them. This is how you need to get an internship. It's not that you pay something to learn something and call it as an internship just by showing a certificate, which doesn't have any value. So don't fall into traps of internships and so on. So I hope this video really helped you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share this video with your friends so that it will help them. Thank you for watching.